Welcome to Mobile Marvels. Join me as I put the iPhone 16 Pro Max to the test against the iPhone 15 Pro Max to see if this upgrade is really worth it. When a new iPhone model is released, the same question always pops up. Should I upgrade to the latest and greatest, or stick with what I've got? It's a dilemma many of us face, and today we're going to try and figure out whether the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a worthwhile upgrade from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The biggest factor in making this decision is usually the cost. Upgrading to the latest iPhone can be expensive, especially if you're due an upgrade from an older model. So, it's essential to weigh up the pros and cons of sticking with what you've got versus splashing out on the newest model. For many, the decision to upgrade will be influenced by the features that matter most to them. If you're someone who's always on their phone, taking photos and videos, then maybe the upgrade is worth it for the improved camera. But if you're more of a casual user, then maybe the extra cost isn't justified. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants a reliable phone, the key to making this decision is understanding what's changed between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's start with the cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a quad camera setup with a wider angle lens, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide lens. This means you can capture more in your shots and get more flexibility when it comes to editing. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the other hand, has a triple camera setup, which still takes incredible photos, but lacks the flexibility of the newer model. When it comes to battery life, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a slightly larger battery, which Apple claims will give you up to 12 hours of internet use. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the other hand, has a slightly smaller battery, but still manages to deliver up to 10 hours of internet use. So, if you're someone who's always on the go, the newer model might be the better choice. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also boasts a faster A14 Bionic chip, which provides a significant boost in performance compared to the A13 Bionic chip in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This means that everything from launching apps to editing videos will be faster and smoother on the newer model. In terms of design, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a new ceramic shield front cover, which Apple claims is more durable and resistant to scratches and cracks. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the other hand, has a slightly older design, but still looks and feels premium. So, what are the key differentiators that might sway potential buyers? For me, it's the improved cameras, faster performance, and longer battery life. These are all features that will make a tangible difference in your daily use of the phone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a significant upgrade from the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but whether it's worth the upgrade depends on your individual needs. If you're due an upgrade and want the latest and greatest, then the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a great choice. But if you're happy with your current phone and don't need the latest features, then sticking with what you've got might be the better option. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the upgrade in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech comparisons and reviews.